Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to design a box on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the box button next to the billboard option at the upper side of the screen, and here select a template. You can edit this template. If you want to add pictures to your project, just go to the image button and click to the third option, the photo, and here you can select pictures from your device. If you want to change the background color, just click to the color option and you can select another color. And if you go to the add button, click to the text option, and here you can add text to your project, just writing, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can search different font type, and if you go to the color button next to the font option, you can select another color. And if you go to the doodle button, you can draft to your project. And if you want to add objects to your box design, just click to the brush button, and here you can find different objects. For example, click to the star object, and you can add stars to your box. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.